Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preventing further writes. Power off or remove the battery if you can. Once done, try to re-enable USB debugging in recovery or connect via OTG to a healthy device, because debugging lets recovery tools access file tables. Make sure the PC has the correct drivers and a trusted recovery program installed. This allows the software to detect partitions. Act fast. Every write reduces the chance of recovery, and you want a stable connection before scanning. You now perform a deep scan using the recovery tool. Select raw sector or full partition scan so the software can reconstruct files from residual data. While scanning, monitor the log. This shows which file systems and nodes are recoverable and why some files are fragmented. Once the tool lists results, preview photos, messages, and documents, because you should only extract verified items. Finally, export everything to an external drive or your computer. Never restore recovered files on. You finish by validating recovered files, open media, check documents, and use checksums when possible, because integrity matters before relying on any file. If recovery failed or files are corrupted, try another reputable tool, switch scan modes, or consult a professional lab. Some damage needs specialized hardware. Make sure to create a robust backup strategy now. Combine cloud sync, periodic local images, and automated exports. This prevents future loss and gives you peace of mind. Don't skip it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.